My name's Zoe and I'm one of the trainees with the Defence Industry Pathways program. What I love about working here is that I get to do something for my country. I feel really proud to be part of Defence as well as being part of the maritime industry with my background in marine tourism. I had an internship with another company in the defence industry and I just loved it from there. I wanted to make sure that I'd be doing it. So when I heard that this Industry Pathways program was on, I jumped straight on.
My name is Jasmine and I'm a trainee from the Defence Industry Pathway program. At the moment I'm working on the Anzac class frigates. So one of my tasks was to design the new drawings for the hauling line to bring the ships in undocking and docking. I like that we work as a team and I'm not just sitting there on my own. And I also like the friendships that I've made here too and how nice everyone is.
We go around meeting with different supervisors, finding out what they do, heading to the different areas such as design, procurement, planning and seeing the whole business throughout all the different areas. If I gave any advice to anyone thinking about joining the program, I just want to let them know that you're completely supported, we have great mentorship and the whole way through you just feel like everyone wants you here, they want you to be a part of the team. It's a really good feeling.
It's not just one course that you'll stick to. You get to learn on different backgrounds and areas, which I think is great because you never know where you want to go. Just do it.